Hi everyone, Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you a 16 by 20 inch or 40 by 50 centimetre canvas, and I put some black paint on it. I have a nice jug. I cut the handle off it, but there. I have black, white and turquoise. So I'm just about to put some OGX into the turquoise. Okay, so that's it, just a few drops, and just ever so lightly give it a little twirl around, clean off the knife. Right, so what I want to do is put some paint in here and then just go like that, and then I'm going to turn the heater up. It's got a blower on it, and see if I can spread out a little bit, but I just don't know how it's going to go yet. I'm still sort of thinking about what I want to do, so I'm just going to, I'll take the lid off this black one as well. Come on, go down. Right, so I'm just going to put some paints in here. I might put the turquoise in next. And, whoops, some black. And then a little bit more white on the top. A little bit more turquoise. And maybe a little bit more. Don't start barking, please. And here we go. I think that's enough paint. I usually do too much paint, but we'll have to just try and see if this will work. And here we go. Right. Want that over the top there a bit. That's it. Whoa. See, that's what I wanted. That is good. So I'm just going to there. Whoa, yes. That is exactly what I wanted. That is 3 times today. I have had 3 failures. This is number 4, and I am happy. Well, you can't just keep having failures. You have to do something sooner or later that's correct. And look at that. Come on, people. Oh, okay. I'm not touching it. Not doing anything. I'm too happy with it. I'm going to bring you down to take a look and see what you think. That's what I've been looking at. You have to say it's, you know, there's a lot of negative space there in the black. But as you can see, I'm just going around quickly. But then that centerpiece that I did with the turquoise and the white and black, I mean, come on. Oh, don't you love it? Look at the lines and the cells. Yeah, you can tell I had 3 bad ones today. This is number 4. You can tell that I'm happy. Oh, well. Okay, and it was so quick, look at that. I can see it's under 6 minutes. Unbelievable. Alright, so the paints and the pouring medium recipes you'll find under the video down below under Show More. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put up more videos into YouTube. Thank you very, very much for watching, and please give this one the thumbs up. Whoa. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.